Imagine living in excruciating pain for most of your life. Well, as a young man, our next guest suffered a painful back injury in the 1960s and found he had intolerable side effects from prescribed medication. So he's on a lifelong mission against pain. Here to tell us more about safe, non-invasive pain therapy without harmful side effects is Dr. Oki Wee from TriVita Wellness Center. Good to see you, Dr. Wee.
Good to see you,
Your
Susan.
personal story, it is so compelling. What happened to you?
I was in medical school, and during the years I was trying to make some money, and I did some heavy lifting and sleeping in a terrible bed, and ended up with excruciating back spasms. And found that the medication, especially the narcotic medication, would really affect me to the point that I wasn't able to think clearly and focus. And so it was a choice of, not being able to finish my studies or suffer with pain, and that led me to finding other ways to
Right,
treat
and
pain.
these medications, they were prescribed by doctors right there in your medical school, and you were intolerable to them.
That's right. The professors.
How did they make you feel?
Well, it made me feel just cloudy and loopy, and just couldn't think straight. Dizzy in some cases, and as a result, just felt I couldn't function.
So you wanted to do something about that, and you have really spent most of your life, your medical profession, finding ways and to treat the source of the pain. What do you do, and how is it different?
As an MD, you train to diagnose and then treat, and usually what you end up doing is treating symptoms. And when I realized that, I said I need to find out what the source of the pain is, and it turned out to be mostly in soft tissue. Most of the cases that I see have issues with the soft tissue. It includes muscles, tendons, ligaments, and so on.
So when can your patients expect to see improvement in their pain?
Most of my patients, even in the first visit, can see a significant change already, and that gives them encouragement.
Absolutely. Because for many of them, I mean, like you suffer for years, in pain, and they're walking out, you said after the first visit with a different life.
Yes, they feel a change, so they know something is happening. And usually after about 6 visits, they have a significant 50 or better % change in reduction of pain or improvement of function, which is more important also.
So tell us specifically, what are you doing? What is it that is so different than what other people are offering for pain management?
Well, there are many people that do some of what I do, but we have developed a very comprehensive program to help restore function of the body by restoring the soft tissue, meaning not just, instead of covering up pain or blocking pain, we actually get the tissue to work. So it's really the body that's the miracle, that it can do what it's supposed to do, and we just assist it.
And you said it's FDA approved.
All the modalities I use are FDA approved.
And that's great for people because they want to know that what they're doing is safe. And it's amazing, Dr. Wee, that you're able to do this. And so many people, you're not only alleviating their pain, you're giving them their quality of life back.
Yeah, we've been very blessed because the majority of our patients now not only have pain relief or are pain-free, but they have life back and are able to do things like enjoying their grandkids in many cases, or sports and what have you.
Yeah, and you're doing great too.
I'm doing wonderful.
And you've got a smile on your face to prove it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, because don't we all just want a better quality of life? That's what it's about at the end of the day.
That's what it is.
So we want to give you some information now. If you are in pain, or if you know someone who is in pain, call today to schedule your appointment with Dr. Wee and receive a free pain consultation and free therapy session. TriVita Wellness Center is located at 16100 North Greenway Hayden Loop, Suite G100 in Scottsdale. To book an appointment today, call 480-337-4148, or you can go online and visit them at TriVitaWellnessCenter.com.